Welcome to Jayco Australia, where quality and innovation drive our manufacturing process. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to explore how our Jayco endurance chassis is built, right here in Australia. Our journey begins at our dedicated chassis facility in Dandenong South, where skilled tradesmen bring their expertise to welding each chassis with precision and care. This is where the strong foundation of every Jayco caravan is formed. Once welded, the chassis travels to GB galvanizing, just down the road. Here, it undergoes a hot dip galvanizing process, coating the chassis with a protective layer. This step enhances strength and durability, ensuring it withstands Australia's diverse conditions. Back at our facility, the galvanized chassis is ready for assembly. We install the running gear, suspension, and modular railing system, each component meticulously fitted to ensure optimal performance and safety. Depending on the model, we equip our chassis with either the advanced Jayco independent suspension or the standard beam suspension with leaf and spring. Partnering with local suppliers like Petters, Jayco suspension was developed after an extensive 2-year testing program covering thousands of kilometres on second-class roads around Australia. The end product delivers greater stability, a smoother ride, and increased ground clearance, all without increased ride height, making towing easier and safer than ever before. Another key feature is our modular railing system. This design allows for greater customization and adaptability in weight distribution, making each chassis perfectly suited for a range of Jayco RVs. With all components securely in place, the chassis is complete and ready to move on to the next part of the build process. This is just the beginning of creating a Jayco caravan that embodies the strength, quality, and craftsmanship you can rely on. Thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes look at how we build the Jayco endurance chassis. Here at Jayco, we're committed to providing you with the confidence and durability you need for your next adventure.